Oh, hello there! What's up guys? Welcome to Barrookie. In today's video, I want to share with you how I went from sleeping on the floor to sleeping in a bed again, and I'm probably going to go back to sleeping on the floor again. I've been sleeping on the floor for 3.5 years now, and when my girlfriend was pregnant of my second child, 7 months in, we decided to sleep back into the bed. And the transition was interesting. So in the period that I've slept on the floor, it's not that I've never slept in a bed again. That's not true. Whenever I went on holidays or I had to sleep in a hotel, I always slept in the bed, obviously. But now it's the first time for like 3 months that I have slept in a bed. So the first week felt very great. It was like, I was shocked. Like the bed was soft, it was comfortable. And I was like, why is this feeling so good? I couldn't understand. Then a week later, my shoulder started to hurt, my neck started to cramp up, and all the aches and pains that I had before sleeping on the floor started to reappear. Now, the biggest culprit of that is the softness of the mattress. Now, these manufacturers of this particular bed here, they found it a very good idea to make the side of the shoulders a little bit softer so that the shoulders go deeper, and make the area of the hips a little bit firmer so that the hips rise up. And if you have broader shoulders, like I like to assume that I have, then you're going to lay flat and you have your nice spine that's perfectly aligned. So that's the whole idea. And being a side sleeper, I had to sleep with my shoulders in that soft area of the mattress, and that really felt very uncomfortable, especially if you want to move or if you're moving a lot during your sleep. It's like all of that cushioning, it's restricting movement, but at the same time, it makes sure that your body can't fully relax. And that is really what I experienced with my neck and my shoulders. And if you're waking up the next day, then you find that these muscles have been working the whole night and they are cramped, they're stiff, and it's just not a pleasant experience. Also, something I experienced is the lack of space. Now, if you're sleeping on the floor, the tatami mats and the mattress of the floor was like this high, so like 10 centimeters. But in a bed, you're like half a meter up there. And that really makes it feel like you're sleeping in a boxed off area. Whereas on the floor, you feel like you can put your hand on the floor, you have sort of unlimited space to sleep in, and that feels super comfortable for me personally. Now that it's getting warmer also, I feel like the big chunk of mattress takes up a lot of heat during the day, even though we try to keep it cool here. And you feel that if you go to sleep, you really feel that the bed is warmer, it takes a lot longer to air out. Even though there can be airflow underneath the bed, I feel like tatami mats have a lot better property of, one, insulating, and two, dissipating the heat as well. So the reason I wanted to make this video is because sometimes we have adopted a way of thinking like sleeping on the floor is great, and then we are so convinced of that we continue to do this and we never look back. And that's a great thing, but sometimes I feel like we have to go back to how it was before and to really evaluate whether or not things have changed, because we age, we change as a human, and maybe the problems that I had 3 years ago don't even exist anymore. And now this was a proof that they're still there, and that sleeping on the floor for me is a better way of sleeping. Now, doesn't mean it's for you, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. Let me know in the comments down below if you are sleeping in a bed or on the floor. I'm happy to know. And I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!